So here's the difference between an Emmo Monster and an Emmo Nok, the ones that just came out. These are both 84 volts. Okay, technically this one isn't because it doesn't have the right heads-up backrest. That's the only way you know with those ones. But I was just talking to a customer, so that's what inspired this video. But like, holy shit, there's a difference. Like there's a really big difference between these. So when we had bigger guys, like over 300 pounds, we would always go to the Monster or the 84 volt GT84 that's discontinued. This was the bike for bigger guys in an 84 volt because the more voltage, the more power, the more incline power, right? This was our go-to. Now, I call the big boy, and there's a good reason why it's called the big boy, because this is for our big boys. So look at the size difference. You've got just the tires are bigger, those are a little bit wider. The handlebars are bigger, adjustable like that, but everything about it is a little bit bigger. I also really like the seat on this. I'll get you to come here and I'll show you the seat. The one thing about the Monster is that it's got this square seat, so your legs open up wider when you sit on it. But when you sit on a Nok, even at 5'3", if I sit up far enough, because the seat's like this, I'm flat-footed. But if you're a bigger guy, you just move back on the seat. The other cool thing I was saying is that you can get those highway pegs, right? Isn't that freaking cool? You can get highway pegs because they come with these bars. So if you're, I'm 5'3", but if you're just a bigger guy and you don't want to look weird, you want to look proportionate on your e-bike, absolutely the Nok. This one, you know, a little better for winter driving, but they've gone with a 12, you can upgrade these tires too to a Meteor tire as well, but what a size difference. Like the handlebars are here versus here. Tires are bigger, 10-inch versus 12-inch. And then obviously this has the saddlebags. But yeah, what a size difference between these two. So the Nok, aka the big boy.